So here's a question: how to plot this normal distribution with just a few lines in Python programming language. So first of all, we need to define two variables, mu and sigma. Well, basically mu is the mean of our normal distribution and sigma is the standard deviation of our normal distribution. Suppose that for this specific example, we want to pass 0 for our mu and 1 for our sigma. And now we want to create the x-axis. And when I say we want to create the x-axis, I mean we want to create the data for the x-axis. In order to do so, we simply type np.linspace. It means linear space. It means equal space. So we want to create, for example, 100 numbers between these two numbers. So we want to create 100 numbers with equal space between these two numbers. And here's the question that you might ask. And that question is, why this range of numbers? Because according to statistics, we know that almost all data would fall into this range. So that's why I chose this range of numbers. So anyway, we store the results in a variable, let's say called x. So that's it. And now in order to have our normal distribution, so here, first of all, we simply type from scipy.stats, I mean statistics. We want to import norm because this is something which we can use for some stuff related to normal distribution. And then here we simply type norm.pdf, I mean probability density function. I mean the function of the normal distribution. That's it. And we want to plot that function in this range of numbers. I mean this x variable, which we have defined earlier. And we want to have our normal distribution with these parameters. I mean with this mean and this standard deviation. So we pass them respectively. So mu and sigma. That's it. And I store the results in a variable, let's say called y. And now we want to plot our chart. So in order to do so, once again, here we simply type import. So we simply type import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. And here we simply type plt.plot, and we should pass x and y variable. And let's suppose that we want to pass the black as our color. And here we simply type plt.show in order to show all the stuff. And if I run the code, you can see here's our normal distribution. And here are two videos which I suggest you to watch as well. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.